Before starting our episode 3, have you watched previous episodes of our budget stay and Sindhudurg Fort in Malvan, Kokan?
After Sindhudurg Fort, now I am heading towards Rock Garden and it's near to Shivla Beach. So let's go. This path is very peaceful and lush with greenery. Our destination is arrived and in that I got to know it's known as Sunset Point as well. So here you can see many food stalls. So now we'll try Kokan's famous kokum. Let's drink it. Now she is preparing healthy kokum juice for us. After kokum, let's try kokani pani puri. How could I forget ice cream? Here, entry ticket in Rock Garden is 5 rupees. I'm telling you, vibes are so vibrant here. Starts at 6:30 p.m. every day. We are heading at third location. Welcome to Roads again. From this market here, I purchased very renowned Kokani cashews. While shopping in market, I found very cool place with pleasant vibes. So first I'm gonna try my favorite tasata. Then second basundi. And last kokum. All were pretty delicious. Wow. Our fifth location will be Rameswaram Temple. This historic temple built in 16th century. This Rameshwar temple is dedicated to Lord Shivji. Our sixth place is dinner place. It's cashew paneer masala and chapati. Yummy! I hope you enjoyed this episode 3 which belongs to many food items from here. Let me know your favorite food item from Kokan in comment box. And those who are new here, please do subscribe our channel Shruti's Fairy Tales for more travel videos and share also.
So let's meet in upcoming episode 4 of Malvan Kokan, where we'll meet dolphins and do various water sports activities like scuba diving and parasailing. Till then, tata, bye bye.
Om Namah Shivaya.